Pana thế. Là cho cô kê sơ đây nào.
Có bún này của nhau là chả.
All related to your workup or no? Well, like, did you just?
The 6 cardiac bypasses.
That's probably not related to your workup.
Scales, yeah,
And that
no.
kind of kicked you in the.
Cứ là cô đôn là thì cứ lấy cho là nó. Đây là mà phi đâu này, cô lấy lo mà phi là. Có mấy cô. Mà là cô nhà chị mà nó ôm không để kêu là thôi đi chơi đó, thôi đi chơi bây giờ món này bà nó một thứ nó có nhiều bà xã và mà nhau một thứ là khác khỏi nhau nào, wow, họ ai giá à nó vậy nào, có gì buồn cười thôi. Tại hai này quên nó còn này bực tiền này cái lý nó mà người ta nó mình đã quên nhau nó bao gồm là phá độ phui là phá độ mà mua điều nào Kpaw Moo nào để sửa ra này cái từ đi cho họ người ta nói chết cái gì đấy. Đừng có bị ra thời nó thì bao khỏi là dưa nó nó lên mà bị liệt như mà mình ba bị nó lên mặt mà để phản nó phản đôi lời buộc
I might get you the other one. I need the.
lúc mà bự nữa đó mà khá là chốt thì mà tỉnh số hả nó.
His peg tube is not the one with a screw, so you need the extension, this one. I'll show you another syringe too that we use.
Okay.
Otherwise, if I didn't use this one, it was kind of dripping. So make sure if you're videoing, you clamp. You
clamp like that.
Yeah, so that it doesn't drip.
Okay.
Open, and then you give 60 before feeding, and then 60 also after. Okay, and don't push too fast, just enough.
Just slowly.
Yeah. If you'll imagine, this is 60 mils. Just like drinking what, half a cup of water. There. And then the same clamp.
Oh.
Move and cover.
Oh,
I
okay.
usually like putting like a towel or a tissue under.
It's better.
Okay. And next.
You guys put like two, right? Two of them? Yeah.
So this is 60. So 60 before and after. So one now and then one later. And now we're doing the 3.
So the first one is 60.
60.
60.
Yeah.
Second one is 60.
1 and 60.
Oh, both 60.
Yeah, both 60. So this one now we'll see. I'll need to prime this. Alright. So it says to feed is 60 mils of water flushes before and after each feeding. So 3 times a day. And then our isosource HN is our food. It says today's day 1 yet, correct? We're doing 125 mils for 1 hour. And then tomorrow we do 250, and then day 3 is 375.
Okay.
End goal is you do 500 mils 3 times a day
So,
for a total of 1500. So it's like you're eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh,
500, 500.
so 4 hour one time. One time for
one
3
time
times.
will run. Let's see. It doesn't.
Does it
It
show?
doesn't have to be 4 hours. 125 is.
Oh,
for an hour.
it can be like 3 hour one time.
Yeah, we
Feeding.
can do that too.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes too. Let's see. They put. It's even 1 hour only.
Oh, okay, 1 hour
Yeah.
only.
Feed rate of 400. I'm gonna and then connect.
Okay.
And then you can also put the thing. All right. And I think going home I don't know if you'll have a pump.
Oh.
If not, then it's just gonna be like a bag.
Like gravity.
Gravity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's all.
All right.
All right.
That's
Thank
all.
you.
I'll come back in a bit for the rest of his meds.
Oh. And ta cô thoa giảm hem hani. Nope.
No? Okay. And any pain in the belly?
And pupun ta chau ya. A chau ya. No pain in the belly, only in the back.
Okay, in the back?
Yeah. Around somewhere there.
I see here. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, over there.
How long has your voice been muffled? Very soft.
The glue there, the thought I just need mama that. I thought that the see the started. More than 1 week.
More than 1 week.
Yeah.
Okay. For the past 1 week, if you eat anything, are you able to swallow? Any problems swallowing in the throat?
At the end, on it, where they thought love Pukui and Nui Panama. That I got a way. No,
Like any pain
yeah,
swallowing?
yeah,
Yes.
like
Okay.
he
Do
could.
you think you're choking or like catching your breath or gagging when you eat food?
Couldn't drink water. When he drink water, he like spit it out, or come out.
Okay. The reason why I ask is because in your lungs, your pneumonia is only on the right side, and that usually is the food pipe and the windpipe are very close by. So if you're having that problem in the esophagus, your food pipe, sometimes the food, instead of going into the stomach, it goes into the lung.
Okay. Then dog glue I will put the cutty vanilla. Cuttyคือแล้ว I will put the ตั้งอยู่แล้วนี่เอาคนนั้นเนาะ when ไม่อ้อนมีเนาะแต่เหนือมันเผื่อเนี่ยเหนือเลย put the เหนือผสมมั้ง
Okay, yeah. Is it okay if I can touch your belly?
แต่ละกับพ่อสันคือแบบเสีย
Are you having any headaches?
ลูกตาดิชายา
No, okay. From infection standpoint, I think we already gave you 10 days of antibiotics. So you have a new, a mass in the lung, which they are concerned about infection. But I think it could be related to your cancer.
แต่เดี๋ยวดับปุโรสิริพันธ์เนี่ยมั้งเอาไว้ปอดเพื่อดอทเนื้อตาแล้วเอาไว้แค่เสมอ
Did they just start you on chemotherapy? Did they just start him on chemotherapy,
Yeah.
cancer medications?
Yeah. Most painful is in the throat.
In your throat?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just going to take a look inside your throat. Can you do ah for me?
แต่ก็กว่า
Vishal?
นั้นก็บอกมามันมาก่อน
Okay. Yeah. At least you don't have, what I'm trying to look for is any fungal infection in the mouth, but he doesn't have that. So maybe everything is deep down, like here.
แต่เราตัวช่วยกันเอาหน่อยมั้ยมาบางคนแล้วเว้ยก็อยู่บนพายอยมั้งเด้อแล้วก็บอกว่าที่นั่นมั้ย
And you did not travel to Thailand or any other countries in the past 10 years, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Any history of TB or anything in the, for him in his lifetime?
No.
No concern for TB. Okay. And was he losing a lot of weight?
Yeah, losing a lot of weight. Yeah.
Losing weight.
He got a lot of down with blood. Yeah, that's why I make him a lot of losing weight. Yeah.
Okay.
And no food to eat. Yeah.
Okay. And this is all for 1 year, so this is a new diagnosis for him?
ก็ตาเจ็บ
Okay. Can you deep breath to the mouth?
กระตาไม่ดก
Yeah. 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 Okay. You can sit back.
แล้วมีอะไร
Yeah. His lungs sound like there's some pressure on it from around. So it must be the mass in the esophagus that is causing some obstruction. And I can hear when he takes a breath, it's like air going through a narrow passage. That's what I hear.
โอ้
Which is expected with what he has in his esophagus.
โอเค
So think of like a flute. You know a flute, the musical instrument. When you blow through it, you have a sound because it's narrow. So that's the sort of sound I get from his lung, because every time he takes a deep breath and breathes it out, there is pressure from the esophagus outside on the airway. That's why its airway is like that. So when air goes in and out, I get this sound, which means there's pressure.
โอเคแต่ถ้าสอดตัวนี้ออกมาเป็นหนึ่งตานี่ความเลยดอปืนเดือดแต่หย่อนได้ช่วยใช้ได้ป่ะปุ่นรอได้ป่ะนะโอ้แต่สอดนี้คนไหนหนึ่งก็ตาบ้านดอกอเดียเราก็ตุกตีเดีย
Okay. All right. Any questions?
ตัดสินกว่าว่าเลยอ่ะว่าเนาะ no question
Okay. All right. Thank you.
thank you
Take care.